Hi, my name is Doug Giles, and I'm the owner of Billiards of New Orleans. Now, you probably came to this channel because you have a pool table that you're looking to get some service work done on, and you're wondering if you can do it yourself. Well, I got good news for you. With enough patience and enough perseverance, a little bit of knowledge, yeah, you can do it. I'll tell you, two little stories right quick. When I first got into doing pool tables, roughly 30 years ago, the very first pool table I ever went to do was a coin-operated pool table. I worked for an amusement company and I had never even seen the inside of a pool table before, so I had no clue as to what I was doing. Didn't help matters much that the guy that was supposed to be training me, this was his first time doing a pool table himself on his own. Anyway, we got there, we did the pool table. It was a coin-operated pool table, and back then, most coin-operated pool tables had what's called backed cloth on their tables. Well, not knowing any better, the two of us figured, what's this backing for? So we ripped it all off of it, went ahead and put the cloth on the table, and you know what? It actually turned out looking beautifully. The bad part is, it only lasted about 3 weeks in a commercial environment. Now, in hindsight, I know better now. I would never do that. Second story I wanted to tell you. Fast forward about 2 years, the very first home table I went to do. I had been working in the amusement business for about 2 years. Had plenty of experience by then doing coin-operated pool tables, and I figured, let me branch out onto my own and I'm going to start doing home tables. They can't be that much different, right? Wrong. My first pool table took me, I kid you not, it took 16 hours to move it and recover it over the course of 2 days. Now, that same job today, I could probably get it done in about 4 hours. But this just goes to show you that if you are a bit mechanically inclined and you have the patience, you can do this stuff yourself, okay? Don't be afraid of it. Now, like I said, with a bit of perseverance and a bit of patience and the knowledge that you'll pick up from this channel, you can do your own pool table and save yourself hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. If you're looking to buy your own pool table, again, I've got a video on here with the buyer's guide. I've also got videos on here telling you which tables I recommend, which ones I don't, and why I recommend them or I don't. And you can end up saving yourself hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on the purchase of the table, and then end up potentially saving yourself hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on the service work afterwards if you're willing to do the work yourself. Oh, and one other thing. On every one of my videos for pool tables, I leave Amazon links down below for all of the tools that I use for moving and recovering a pool table. That makes it easy for you to quickly go in and find the specific tool that you're needing. If you see something that I'm using and you're like, what's that tool? It's down there in the link below. And usually, if it's something oddball, I'm going to bring it out in the video. And I'm going to leave a link down below as to where you can get that particular tool. Now, I encourage you to hit the like button, leave me some comments down below, and hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. That way you can be notified every time I upload a new video. I wish you guys well, and I hope to see you soon on this channel.